All right, today I'm going to talk about the 50-30-20 rule, and this is a very simple way to budget, but it's a good starting point for a lot of people. So the simple thing here is 50% goes to your needs, 30% of your budget goes to your wants, and 20% goes to savings and debt. So needs, generally going to be food, housing, transportation, things that you absolutely need, cannot live without. So things, housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance. 30%, like I mentioned, goes to your wants, so dining out, entertainment, travel, hobbies, subscriptions, really wants, but I think of this area as something, if I cross it out, I'm still good, I'm still going to have a house, I'm still going to be able to put food on the table, things like that. And then 20% goes into your savings and debt. So that could be things like an emergency fund, retirement, so IRAs, 401ks, etc., extra debt payments, and investments. So a simple way to look at this, examples, $5,000 a month. Based on this 50-30-20 rule, 50% of that, $2,500, goes to the needs area, 30% or $1,500 goes to the wants area, and then 20% or $1,000 goes to savings and debt. So just a great way, simple way to get started if you're looking to build a budget. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. Thank you.